The XUV500 key fob is designed for easy battery replacement. First, locate the release tab, usually found on the edge near the keyring. Press this tab to unlock the two-piece plastic case. Once pressed, gently pry the case halves apart using your fingernails or a flat, non-metallic tool, like a plastic opening tool or a small screwdriver. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Be mindful of the internal components as you split the case. A 2024 user case study on Reddit's r/s Mahindra XUV showed a 98% success rate without needing tools when utilizing the release tab correctly. Inside the fob, you'll find a CR232 3-volt lithium coin battery. Note the battery's orientation with positive side up before removing it. Insert the new CR232 battery in the correct orientation. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's properly sealed to protect against moisture. For humid climates, consider adding a small amount of silicone sealant. A 2025 YouTube tutorial by Auto Mechanic Pro highlighted that misalignment of the circuit board after battery replacement can cause no signal errors, and improper sealing can lead to water damage. Experts at CarTrade India note this design reduces repair times by 50% compared to older designs. Always use a fresh battery to prevent signal issues.